Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we're diving into the brand new Motorola Razr Ultra 2025. And trust me, this might just be the foldable phone that flips the whole game. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Let's dive in. First things first, that design. Motorola is going all in with premium materials this year, including a titanium-reinforced hinge and even an optional wood grain back panel. And that 7-inch LTPO AMOLED main display? Gorgeous. Brightness peaks at a mind-blowing 4,500 nits, so sunlight is no problem. And let's not forget the 3.6-inch external screen, now fully functional for Android apps. You can literally scroll Instagram, reply to texts, or even navigate maps without opening the phone. Under the hood, the Razr Ultra is running the new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, backed by 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage. It's lightning fast, perfect for gamers, multitaskers, and literally anyone who hates lag. And speaking of smart, Motorola's new Moto AI is packed with tools like Catch Me Up to summarize your notifications and Remember This to, well, remember stuff for you. It's like having a personal assistant built into your phone. Camera-wise, you're getting a triple 50-megapixel setup. Daytime shots are sharp, night mode is way better than before, and yes, selfies on the cover screen look amazing. The battery got a serious upgrade too. 4,700 milliamp hours with 68-watt fast charging and 30-watt wireless charging. A 15-minute charge can literally get you through half the day. The device also boasts an IP48 rating for water resistance. All of this goodness comes at a premium though. The Razr Ultra 2025 starts at $1,299 in the US. But honestly, if you're into foldables, this is hands down one of the best we've ever seen. So what do you think? Is the Motorola Razr Ultra the foldable we've all been waiting for? Drop your thoughts down below. And if you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.